Guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your INFINIX Note 12 louder. So, in the first step we have to go to Play Store, then tap on the search bar and look for the volume app. Or just volume booster and choose one of them. I'm always using the Goodie app. Now decide that you want to click yes, agree or no thank you 3 times and close this window. Now tap on the OK and the tool is active. If you want to boost your volume power, just use that little slider for it. You can increase and decrease it by swiping it. How you can see that 60% is max, and now if you tap on the home screen, the tool is still active. So if you want to disable it, open it. Open the app from the background apps or from your home screen and click stop service. Tap OK and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment and goodbye.